boys and girls, today we are on lesson 84 and it looks like this. You are going to write your name up at the top and we are going to get started on our 1 through 10 spelling sounds. All right. For number 1, our sound is I. That's I. These are all kind of back to our original spelling sounds, so we aren't going to have any tricky ones in here. Number 2 is B, and we're going to write it down. B. Number 3 is A. Write it down. Number 4 is R. Write it down. Number 5 is M. Write it down. Number 6 we're going to bring up here because we have room. We don't have any long ones this time. Number 6 is U. Write it down. Number 7 is H. Write it down. Number 8 is SH. Write it down. Number 9 is TH. Write it down. And number 10 is G. Write it down. All right, make sure you have those. Pause if you need to. I'm going to erase them. Ooh, I don't have my eraser. Guess I'm going to use part of my shirt. Didn't really think this through. I didn't get all ready like I usually am. All right. Today we are going to spell a couple words first. Number 11, we are going to spell paid. To make that A sound in the middle, we're going to do AI. And number 12, say. So because it's at the end, we're going to do AY at the end of our word. All right, go ahead and make sure you have those down. I'm going to have to find my eraser. I don't think I can use the edge of my shirt this whole time. Just 1 second. There it is. All right. It might have taken me a really long time every time to use the corner of my shirt. And kind of gross. All right. Next, we are going to talk about a new rule using A. Let's look at this word. If we were to code this word, first we would look for suffixes. We don't have any. Next, we would see if there's any obvious coding. Yes, we have a silent E, so we can cross that off and put our A there. All right. Next, we'd find the vowel pattern and then divide the word into syllables. So here we have vowel, vowel, consonant. All right? All right, and then we know our rule where we draw our line here. And then wouldn't we put a macron there because it's the first syllable, right? All right, so let's say this word the way that it's coded. It would be awake. Is awake a word? It really isn't. What word are you thinking that is similar to this that you're probably saying, I know that word, but it's not the way that I say it. It would be awake. So one of our new rules talks about the schwa sound. Now, Miss White isn't positive if you've learned about the schwa sound on other lessons. I haven't taught one, so I'm going to go over it like you haven't learned about it, and if you have, it's just going to be some refresher. So the schwa sound is what we use when our syllable isn't accented. So our accent would be down here instead of here. Most of the time we accent our first syllable, but sometimes it is the second syllable that's accented. So when this happens, our A, instead of getting this macron, gets what looks like, it gets our schwa symbol, which looks like an upside down E, like that. And that tells us that our A sound makes the sound. And this is kind of how it works for all different words. So let's look at the. This is how we would code it with the upside down E because the says at the end for the vowel sound, okay? Several of our vowels can do this. Today we're going to focus on the A. All right, and let's look at our picture card for this. This is something you eat. We have them at school a lot of times as our fruit. They're yellow and long. It's a banana. So think about that when we say banana, but banana is spelled B-A-N-A-N-A. So it's banana. So when we see our picture card, we say banana and then because it's making the sound. All right. Let's practice spelling a couple of words like this. Okay, number 14, let's spell ago. B-A-G-O, ago. Number 15 is away. Notice how it's when our A sound is at the beginning or one of the first vowels is what's making that sound. And then number 16, alike. Alike. All right, make sure that you have those written down, and then we are going to practice some coding with this schwa sound. Okay? But we also have a sight word. Let's get that done before I forget. This is the word again. So let's look at it. It kind of looks like again, right? If we were going to code it, we would say again because we know that that AI makes the A sound. And then we would do our vowel, consonant, vowel, and our A would be, our first A would have a make round also. But this is a sight word, and we know sight words do not follow the rules. So it is said again. It's just a word we're going to have to look at and start learning and practicing again. All right. Let's move on to our coding. We have adapt. I'm going to change my video around. Oh, I can't do it while I'm doing a video. I changed some settings on here and it's really throwing me off. I thought it would help, but it doesn't. Number 17, adapt. Okay, so we do have our vowel, consonant, vowel. Draw our line here. We get a brev here, and we know our second syllable is accented, so this gets the schwa symbol. Again, it looks like an upside down E. Number 18, we have alarm. Vowel, consonant, vowel. Gets our line. Our accent is on the second syllable and an E. And then here we have our AR combination, arm. Number 19, we have alert. See, these are all the same. Most of the time our vowel, our A vowel is at the beginning. Here we have vowel, consonant, vowel. Here's our ER combination. Our accent goes on the second. And a schwa E on the top there. Number 20, awake. We talked about this one already. We have our E, it gives us an A maker on there. We have vowel, consonant, vowel. We're accented over here. So our A gets the schwa. And 21, along. All right, here we have vowel, consonant, vowel. Here we have the NG. Oops, sorry, you guys can't see it. The NG digraph we underline. We're going to draw our line there. Our vowel gets the brev, and our A gets the schwa. All right, make sure you have those down. And draw a line from the word here that matches what we have a picture of over on the right. All right, we're going to code a couple more words, and then we'll be done. All right, number 22, tender. Here we have vowel, consonant, vowel. Wait, sorry, that's not right. That's why it's so used to that vowel, consonant, vowel now. Vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. So we're going to draw our line there. We also have combination ER here. And then we just have vowel, consonant, so our E gets a brev. 23. 3. Excite. Again, we have vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. We also have that silent E that's going to make the I get a macron. And then here we have vowel, consonant, and it gets the brev. 24. Wood. Oh, they snuck an easy one on us. This is just our OO digraph. Wood. 25. Base. They stuck another one. They gave us another easy peasy. Our silent E, we have vowel, consonant E, and our A gets a macron. And 26. Weekly. We have suffix ly here that we're going to box off. We have our digraph EE, where our second E is silent and the first E does the talking. It gets the macron, and that's all. All right, go ahead and look at this and make sure you have it down before I erase. And then let's look at your homework. It's a little different, just like last time. All right, you're going to choose the words from the box that are in the picture above. Circle the word in, like circle where it is in the picture, and then write the word below, and then you're going to practice those sight words. All right, I'll see you guys next time.